our toning section, okay? So it's going to be one music track, 4 exercises, and we're just going to repeat the exercises. So first of all, what I'd like to do is show you the actual exercises so that you know what they're going to be once we're in the flow of the track. It will also give you a chance to have a quick practice before we get the music on and just assess where your options are, where your levels are, okay? And then you can decide so you can get the most out of just that one track, okay? So exercise 1 is what I call the knees and toes move. All right, you can leave head and shoulders at home. So this is the upper level of the exercise. So hands will be at the side of your head, okay? No pulling behind the neck, all right? And you're just going to come up and you're going to take your elbow to your knee, reset. Hand to toe, reset, switch legs. Elbow to knee, down, hand to toe, okay? But your speed will be more like that. So you're just going to be continuous with it, okay? So that's your full level. For those of you that might want an alternative, you'll just kind of come up and you're going to take your elbow towards your knee, okay? Nice soft neck, and you're just going to reset yourself back down each time, okay? Exercise 1. Exercise 2 will be your butterfly sit-up. So your feet will go back down on the floor, you'll bring your feet in towards you, and then you'll drop your knees nice and flat to the side, because then you're going to push the movement down into the pubic bone area and work what I call the lower pouch of the tummy, okay? So one option, hands across the shoulders and the chest. Other option, hands at the side of the temples. You're going to pulse and come up. Now with this particular move, it's really beneficial if you pant through it. And that sounds really funny, but if you pant through it, because you need to breathe out as you come up, but because it's a quick move, you need to really exert yourself down into that lower pouch of the tummy. So when you're trying to think about doing all of this, the easiest way to do it is to kind of like pant. Yeah? So if you're blowing the air out of your body, hopefully through your mouth, then you can really push the tension through and out the lower tummy, okay? That's exercise number 2. Your third exercise is going to be twist and touch, okay? So what you're going to do is have your feet together, your knees together, you're going to lift up off the floor, you're going to swing to the side and touch and aim for either your calf, your ankle, your foot, depending how long your arms and your body is, and then you're going to come to the other side. So you're literally going to keep your bottom stuck on the mat, and it's going to be the upper body that's twisting side to side, yeah? So you just want to fling your arm down, reach, 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 okay? If anyone needs an alternative, then what you guys can do, all right, is just lift up with the shoulders and just restrict your movement a little bit more. So rather than reaching down for those feet, you're just more reaching out to the corner of the room. Okay? Okay, so now your fourth and final exercise will be your bridge lift. Okay, so this is where you'll bring your feet as close to your bum as you can possibly get it. Preferably hands on the floor beside your bottom. And you're going to lift up onto the tops of your shoulders, and then the movement is actually from here. So you'll lower and lift, lower and lift. Now what I want you to be really conscious of is that you don't allow these knees to be flapping, yeah, while you're doing it. I want you to grip those thighs together like there's £1 million in between those legs, and I want you to really squeeze those glutes and really push those butts to the ceiling, okay? Exercises. Now, with this particular cluster of moves, what we're doing is we're working this whole area here, which particularly for females and females that have had children is the hardest part to often break down and get back to how it originally was, because it all bulks up together, yeah? We get it on the hips, we get it on the top of the back here, we get what we call this lower pouch here, okay? So all 4 of these moves together are really focusing on this little circling area here, particularly down into that pubic bone where we get that kind of pouch area at the bottom of the tummy, okay? So that's menopause. Yeah, and menopause, definitely. It's what I call the hormonal belly.
Yeah.
So that's why that pant really helps, because it allows you to really push down into the right area rather than thinking the movement's coming from up here in the upper body. It's got to come down and push down into that lower pouch area, okay? So don't be afraid to make those panting sounds. The music will be nice and loud.
Get yourselves ready, knees and toes exercise. Take a deep breath. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Up, up, knees, toes, knees, toes, knees, toes. Yeah, you got it. Keep going. Up, 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 up. Last one. Hold it there. Rest. Start getting in position for exercise number 2. Take those legs wide. Push those tummies down. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and up, up, up. Don't forget those panties. Well done, everyone. Keep going. Breathe through it. Hold. Knees together. Get yourselves ready. Side to side. Go. Go. So remember the alternative. You can just reach the corner. And rest. Last exercise, bridge lift. Squeeze those feet up to your bum. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Lift, lift, lift. Squeeze those glutes. Hold that tummy tight. Lift, lift. 4, 3, 2, stretch it out. Are you ready? Back to the beginning. Knees and toes. Here we go. Knees up. Knees. Toes. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest it out. Take those knees wide. Feet together. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Up we go. Up. Don't forget those hands. Really push down into that lower tummy. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it there and rest. Legs together. Side to side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Lovely. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick rest. Feet into your bum. Hands down your side. Ready for that bridge lift. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Up, up. Make sure those knees Well done. Well done. When you're ready, bring the knees up. Stretch out that lower back. Really pull those knees in. Have a little rock.